welcome back to Hey Holie! And for this episode, guys, this is actually the first time that I'm gonna cook dito sa aking channel. That's why I'm so excited to make it special by sharing with you one of my family's favorite ulam. All-time favorite namin ito because number one, it's very easy. Number two, sobrang mura lang. Without further ado, I am going to show you how I make the SISIG TOFU ALA MAX'S. So, let's go! May iwan. Mas dapat pantay-pantay, guys. Okay guys, so tapos ko nang i-slice yung ating tofu and uunahin ko na muna yung ating sauce. Okay, so for the sauce, syempre kukuha tayo ng mayonnaise. Meron ako dito isa pang bowl. Then, lagay lang natin yung mayonnaise natin. Next is yung ating salt. And then, pepper. And then, sugar, chili green, okay, and then yung ating siling labuyo. Okay, then ilalagay ko na itong ating Knorr seasoning. Then mix it all together. Okay, so ngayon naman, i-deep fry ko itong ating tofu. By batch natin siya gagawin kasi pag sabay-sabay, may tendency na madurog yung tofu. So make sure the pan is hot enough para ma-fry ito na hindi dumidikit. Perfect! Yan guys. Tingnan natin. Perfect! Golden brown na. So, pagka ganyan na, pwede nyo lang iahon and ilagay sa isa pang nilagyan. So, ahon natin to. So, para kompleto yung ating SISIG TOFU ALA MAX'S experience, magsa-sunny side up lang ako. So, kumuha na ako ng isa pang non-stick pan. Kita niyo. And a pinch of salt. Perfect! Excited na ako. So, ito, nilagyan natin ng konting mantika from the oil that we used earlier and then gagamit tayo ng butter. Chill, bro! Chill! Alam niyo, masarap maraming onion pag ganitong mga sisig. Then, isunod na natin to red bell pepper. Then, pwede na natin ilagay yung ating tofu. Sarap! And then, ilalagay na natin yung ating sauce. Oh my god, ang sarap. Then, gusto ko lang din mag-add ng konting salt. Konti pang pepper. Okay. And then, konting sugar. Yan. Mix them well. Alam nyo guys, kung meron kayong sizzling plate, naku, pwedeng-pwede rin yun. So, I think this is ready. Ilalagay ko na to sa aking plate dahil nag-iintay na yung egg ko. Wow! Okay. Tamang-tama, meron ako ditong gulaman. Tikman na natin, guys. Oh my god. Wala nga lang biro. Masarap talaga. Okay, so I therefore conclude na successful yung ating sisig tofu. And kung gusto nyo subukan ito sa inyong mga bahay, alam nyo ba na 170 pesos lang yung naggastos ko dito. And for 170, magkakaroon na kayo ng 4 to 5 bowls of sisig tofu. Diba? Sobrang mura and sobrang dali and masarap pa. And if you'd like to try this at home, don't forget to tag me on my social media accounts. I have my Facebook, I have my Instagram, I also have my TikTok. Kaya pwede din. And don't forget to comment down below kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyong lutuin ko sa susunod na videos. Maraming salamat. If you like this episode, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share the video. And kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And yun lang. Thank you so much guys for watching. Paalam! Ang lasa mi. Sarap? May ka-share na ako.